TeenTech is all about helping young people and their teachers and parents understand about the opportunities of the future.
When we have events like this, lots of industry experts come in and they can really help to engage the pupils in lots of different ways, and it really opens the children's eyes as to what they could potentially do in the future.
When young students think of the Bank of England, they're not thinking of technology. We knew that the bank itself wasn't being looked at as an employer within technology itself, so we figured there's an opportunity for us to get involved.
They asked lots of really, really clever questions, really good stuff. The future's looking bright.
Yep.
So TeenTech's showing what is happening in industry and in the academic sector and in government.
Is allowing the young generations to actually engage with people like myself to develop ideas further.
They're really good, they're really enthusiastic, really engaged as well.
It was really fun, yeah.
It changed my whole perspective of science engineering.
So this is basically a little design challenge we've got for the kids. Basically we just need to open the younger generation's eyes to these sorts of careers because there's so much they might not really know about. But actually being an engineer is so cool.
Engineering and science is like something different to me now because of seeing every stand. It was beautiful.
It changed my life greatly because now I have a bit greater insight on what kind of jobs I can do in the tech sector.
It's relatively easy to excite young people about science and technology, but the key thing that they need is a network, and that is what TeenTech provides. So the students who come to our events will then be provided with a whole series of ongoing opportunities, and that enables them to really understand what working within a tech company or an engineering company might really be like, and that's what makes the difference.
Doing the virtual reality headset because I've tried something I've never tried before.
It changed my view on what career path I want to take now, because before I came here I wasn't sure about engineering, if it was really for me, but I got to see the different sides of it.
The world of work is changing really quickly. The whole landscape is unrecognisable from what it was 10 years ago. And it's really important for young people and their teachers to understand that digital skills, they're like a magic key because they cut across absolutely everything. It's about being able to innovate, for you to set up your own company because you're able to look at the world and think, I know what we could do, and you can develop a tech solution. Digital skills, every single organisation who are here today will stress how important they are.